Honor and respect to you, society. I'm here again for a little talk, I'll say. Um, it's funny, last week was Haitian Flag Day, and during that time, something happened. I'll say something terrible, but something that have a very deep meaning message behind it took place in the country. But the sad part, it seemed like as if outsiders are more concerned or notice what happened, what took place more than the people. And it is sad. Actually, what happened is we have a young brother who has decided to offer himself as a sacrifice, set himself on fire on a very powerful history site in Haiti, an Cap, where actually November 1803, where our people, our ancestors had a fight, had fight for many reasons. It was not only for our freedom, but for humanity as well. Well, based on what I was told, he set himself on fire after he actually stated stated how he felt about the people. Well, us, I'll say now. How he was so disappointed, how we turned out to be the opposite of what our ancestors used to be. And he placed everything, all his belonging, like his clothes and everything, and set himself on fire. I think that thing is so deep to me. So I bow down before his soul and I salute him as he decided to transit it and to meet with our ancestors in the other realm. I'm sure he will do on the other realm what he was not able to do in this physical body here. But the sad part, it was Haitian Flag Day. Well, it was that period the whole time. We have been so busy. We have been so busy partying, doing everything, but except acknowledge that action. And it's really sad. It hurts. It hurts a lot. Oh my God, it hurts so bad. I mean, it hurts because people have not really acknowledged what took place. It is a serious message. But meanwhile, they are so busy partying, have fun, as if nothing matters. But we are so proud to call ourselves, like we so proud with this, with that, Haitian this, Haitian that. But meanwhile, we're losing every value, every meaning of what really make us who we are. What, my God, seriously, the first nation who have set this record, first, well, melanated nation, who have set this record straight worldwide, but we so behind. I mean, I know it was bad, but I didn't know it was that bad. But I think the more the more we realize, how bad, how lost the society is the more I look forward to to this, to this divine cleanup to be made as soon as possible, because it's really sad. I just wanted to share that with you guys. Again, of course, honor and respect. That's what you guys deserve.